From a mansion packed with YouTubers pulling pranks and playing video games, to a glamour-filled estate where every corner screams luxury and designer labels. These are 4 Filipino YouTuber homes you won't believe exist. Number 1, Cong TV's Congpound. From prank videos to a full-blown creator compound, Cong TV has seriously upgraded, introducing the Congpound. It's not just a house, it's a YouTuber village, home to Team Payaman and their ever-growing empire of vlogs, live streams, and food trips. Located in the south of Metro Manila, this place is massive. We're talking multiple houses, around 10 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, a bunch of kitchens, editing rooms, gaming setups, and chill zones. It's like if a content studio and a family reunion had a baby and gave it unlimited internet. The estimated value? Somewhere between 100 million to 150 million pesos. Not bad for a bunch of people who used to prank each other in a rental. Inside, Cong and Vi's home features a capsule coffee machine, a wall of YouTube play buttons, and a balcony they call their mini tambayan. Perfect for late night kwentuhan or pretending to be productive. It's not just a flex, it's proof that being funny online can literally build a neighborhood. 2. Small Laude's mansion. If rich auntie vibes were a home, Small Laude's mansion would be it. Her home looks like it came straight out of a lifestyle magazine and maybe had a quick chat with Vogue on the way. It's filled with marble countertops, chandeliers that cost more than your car, and walk-in closets that could house a small family. Estimated price tag, roughly 200 million to 300 million pesos. Yup, that's a mansion where even the doorknobs probably have brand names. She has a whole room just for luxury bags. Not shelves, a room. And yes, it's air-conditioned, because nothing says vlogger goals like keeping your Birkins chilled. Small films, everything from sit-down vlogs to day-in-the-life videos here. And honestly, we're all just grateful she lets us peek in. Hey, did you know it's completely free to subscribe? Yup, 0 pesos, just one click of that button and boom, you're officially 12% cooler. Next up, Zeinab Harake, one of the most followed Filipino vloggers out there. In her house, a certified glam zone. She moved into her new home in 2022, and it's sleek, modern, and way too clean for someone who has kids and pets. Her walk-in closet looks like a fashion show room. Her living room, a Netflix drama set. And the bathroom, it probably has better lighting than your favorite makeup studio. Estimated cost of her home, around 70 million to 90 million pesos. And that's before the designer furniture and gold-trimmed everything. But what really makes Zeinab's house pop is how much personality it has. 4. Lloyd Cadana's legacy home last but not least. The late Lloyd Cadana, a YouTube legend whose energy lives on in the home he built for his family. Lloyd was known for his hilarious and heartfelt content, and he used his platform to uplift others, starting with his loved ones. He surprised his parents with a beautiful new home in Bacoor, Cavite. The house, estimated around 5 to 8 million pesos, isn't the flashiest on this list, but it's easily the most meaningful. It was filled with laughter, vlogs, and moments that helped shape Filipino YouTube history. Even in his passing, Lloyd's home remains a symbol of what it means to give back, stay humble, and build a legacy brick by brick. From content palaces to designer dream homes, these YouTubers proved that the Filipino creator dream is alive, well, and definitely air-conditioned. So which YouTuber house shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.